Bonjour et bienvenue. My name is Rhythm, and if learning French seems difficult, let's make it simple, one lesson at a time. So today's topic is les jours de la semaine. Il y a 7 jours dans la semaine. So what are we talking about? The days of the week. The video which I am creating is only for your pronunciation purpose, so that you can understand what is the pronunciation of these words, plus you can understand the basic about les jours. So, il y a 7 jours dans la semaine. There are 7 days in a week. Les jours de la semaine. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. So, these 5 days which we call them as la semaine, and the 2 days of the weekend we call them as le weekend. There are different type of questions which we can ask on this, like combien de jours y a-t-il dans la semaine? So, il y a 7 jours dans la semaine. I am writing down all the questions in the caption. You can read them and understand them, how we work upon the days of the week. So, il y a 7 jours dans la semaine. There are 7 days in the week. Lundi means Monday. Mardi means Tuesday, mercredi means Wednesday, jeudi is Thursday, vendredi is Friday. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi et dimanche. Thank you. The next topic which I am going to take up today is les mois de l'année. Again, something which you will have to cram, you will have to remember the words. How do we call the months of the year? So, les mois de l'année means months of the year. We started with janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. So, if you remember, there are just 2 accents in this. One on E in the février and the next one is in décembre, and one we talk about the accent chapeau, which is accent circumflex, which is there on the jour. Type of questions which can be asked is combien de mois y a-t-il dans l'année? So, il y a 12 mois dans l'année. How many months are there in a year? So, there are 12 months in a year. Nomme, you want to name them. So, these are the names of the months of the year. Thank you. That's it. One lesson at a time.